All right, so you have a 2014 Cadillac Ats. Later on in the video, before the video, I'll let you know what years correspond to this year where you're taking off the door handle, the door panel. If you need to take off the door panel, this video will be for you. If you need to take off the window switches, this video can be for you as well. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this. And all we're gonna need to do that is just a screwdriver. This does pop out. Just do it slowly, here and there it goes. So here we are. Why do we have to take this off? Because we have two bolts right here, and I believe that's 9/32 bolts. So let's remove these clips. Here, I'm gonna switch cameras so I can use both my hands. All right, so here we are back again. I'll take these out. So here's your window switches if you need to remove that. You can put that on the side, get your 9/32 socket, and take these off. There we go, we got that one already out. It's pretty simple. And then we're gonna take off the next one. Hold on a second. Oh, okay. There's that one. Let's take off the next one right here. It's really a simple job. Don't think that it's a intimidating job. Don't let it intimidate you. It's gonna take you just a couple minutes to take care of this, and you'll be happy that you did it yourself as opposed to paying someone to do it. And of course, if I helped out, you can always show your love by just hitting that like button and subscribing if you haven't already. Okay, next phase, we're going to get a little screwdriver, one of these little screwdrivers, and we're going to come up here. There's a little tab right there. It's a hole. You stick your screwdriver in there and you're going to pop this right out. See how that came out? And there is another bolt right here that has to come out, which is a 9/32. Okay, that's that. Now this thing works by going up and out. So just go up. Let me see if I got make sure I'm good here. All right. So here we go. Go on the bottom. That one popped out. The second one popped out. This just pulls out here like that. Pull this up. And there you have it. So if you need to get into your window regulator, of course you would take this off, and you would take off these two bolts here, that bolt right down there, this bolt here, and this bolt here. Take it out, put it back in. All right, I hope this helps. Take it easy, guys and girls.